yo, 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 yo. What is going on, everybody? Let's go, what's good, what's good? Top of the morning. My money-making friends. It's your boy Jdun Trades, Team Bull Trading. I'm ready to catch an absolute heat-seeking missile of a trade with y'all. Let's freaking go, baby. Bonnie Clyde. She washed me down. All right. 909. Let's get it, everybody. Good morning. All right. Good morning. This live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only. Everything said here is for educational and entertainment purposes only. My name is Jdun. My ad is Team Bull Trading. Let's get it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Good morning, everybody. What's up? We got Tradeify 3.0 dropping today, too. Passed. Was good, was good. Yep. Tradeify 3.0 is no more subscriptions. 25K counts. All of the good stuff. All the good stuff. I believe it's launched. I believe it's already launched. Yep, there's now a new reward pool. Your first 5 accounts with Tradeify 3.0 are all 40% off. Absolute heat-seeking missile. Elite. Tradeify for sure. If you don't want Apex, Tradeify for sure, for sure. Yep, Tradeify for sure, for sure. With their new Tradeify 3.0. Today's the day, guys. Today's the day I'm making that video. I promise you guys. I swear on everything. I'm making it here. I'm making it today. Yo, yo, yo. What's good, everybody? Apex's new rules are fire. What do you mean? Their end of day drawdown? No denied payouts? What's up, jalapeno? We got some great deals going on in the prop world today. We got 90% off Apex back, and we got Tradeify 3.0 that dropped. What's up, B-Rogue? Apex versus Tradeify. Who do you choose? That's the video I'm making today. Who do y'all think I'm going to choose? Yep, the select 25K account, you only have to hit 1,500. Super nice. Super nice. If you're trading on Apex, I recommend the 50K Trade Evade account. Trade Evade end of day account. Show. I think it's like $37 with code Jdun or something like that. Did I catch the push-up overnight? No, I don't trade overnight, bro. You trade options expiring same day? Not so much these days. If I traded options, I'd trade next day or 2 days out. What do you mean? Apex is $35 with code Jdun. It's $35. For the 50K Trade Evade account, it's $34.90. That is a deal. That is an absolute deal, folks. Well, let's get it, everybody. Dun, dun, dun. We got 11 more minutes to open, everybody. 11 more minutes. They also just added trade. They also just added trade C as well. Yeah, I'm excited for Tradeify 3.0 and everything they dropped today. It was, if you guys didn't hear, 25K accounts. See, your profit target is only like 1,500, which is great if you guys prefer to trade smaller size. Instant activation on past challenges. They added Trade C, a brand new platform that's just like Project X. No more subscriptions, so it's a one-time purchase. You won't get rebuild, which is fantastic. There's an elite live performance reward pool. So if you go live, there's rewards, there's benefits there more than before. And your first 5 accounts are 40% off, then 30% off after. No activation fee. Nope. It's a game changer, guys. Let's get it, everybody. I want a ripper trade today. I want a big one. We want the big cojones today. We got it, baby. It's coming. All right, here's the deal, folks. Who thinks that in honor of Tradeify 3.0, if we hit a banger today, we should give away some Tradeify Select accounts? Who thinks we got to give away some Tradeify accounts today if we catch a banger? Is that a yes or is that a no? You guys thinking some Tradeify Selects? Okay. No road codes on Tradeify. Today is the day I'm making the Apex versus Tradeify comparison video, guys. I swear to you, I've been saying it for a while. I won't leave my house till it's done. I won't do it. Yeah, we do have a short week for Good Friday. Markets closed Friday. We got 4 minutes, everybody. Grizzly, you here? You live today, my guy? Do you like options or futures better? As of lately, options. Or futures, excuse me. I guess if you were talking about long term, I've made more money with options than futures. We got 3 minutes till open, everybody. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. We're almost ready to open the market as well. We got, oh, market's open. Okay, everybody. As a reminder, if you guys are trading with me, you're choosing DOD. You're choosing discipline over cheap, garbage, self-destructive, self-sabotaging dopamine. My goal for you is to be able to trade smart, trade safe, and keep the money that you make. I don't want you blowing yourself up. I don't want you giving back profits from a day, 2 days, a week, a month because of ego and because of silly mistakes that are 100% avoidable. So as long as you're on the DOD train, you're in the right spot and I can help you out. Good morning, everybody. Yo, if you're on the YouTube too, I appreciate you guys hitting that like button. Let's get them thumbs up going, baby. I do my best to come in and find you guys a winning trade every single morning. And all I ask is you tap in, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. We got like 700 people in here. Let's pump them numbers up. We're at 100 likes. Those are rookie numbers. Rookie numbers. I know y'all are better than that. Come on. Also on the TikTok, I appreciate you guys tapping that screen over and over. You're private. All right, everybody. Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. Where's my bro Gina? I need my coffee. Where's my bro Gina? I need my coffee. Need to activate pay down. I want to activate it early. Oh. What's going on, bro? Yes, Ryan. The haters tune in every day, bro. How would they spend their morning if not? All right, guys, we got our coffee. And we are active. We got our cafecina rolling into the veins, rolling into the bloodstream. The cafecina, la cafecina, rolling in the bloodstream. So as far as our charts go, everybody, let's get our levels marked out. Let's add our indicator to the screen. Nasdaqita. All right, we have. Damn, we're just above that resistance from yesterday too. Those two lower highs during the day. I'm a little bummed they gave us that liquidity sweep of 23,000 last night. That was my main bounce area. And honestly, at this point too, this structure right here, just on the hourly chart alone, especially if we can get a close above this like 434, this actually looks good for move up to 500s. It actually looks decent. Let's go ahead and add our key levels on the indicator. Add POC, pre-market low, pre-market high, and VWAP. All right. There we go. What's up, bro? You bringing your coffee maker today? Oh, let's go. You brought the Jeep? The heap?
Good job.
You like that? The heap. What? It's up. I need everybody here hoping and praying that we don't go back into this range. If you guys didn't see, Tradeify 3.0 is live. You guys can get your first 5 accounts for 40% off using code Jdun. Tradeify 3.0 includes no more subscriptions, so one-time purchase, real-time dashboards. Your dashboard updates real-time with a journal. Instant funded account activation, meaning you pass your eval, you can activate your account immediately. They added TradeC, which is a platform that is better than Project X. So if you guys liked Project X, you'll like TradeC. They added 25K accounts, which Gene was a big fan of. Your profit target's only $1,500. And there's an elite live performance reward pool. So if you get too many payouts and you get moved to live, there's more rewards there. Yeah, a lot of good things happening with Tradeify. So if you guys want to take a trade with me today, go get yourself an account. Why am I still on the 1 hour chart? Whoops. I took a trade yesterday too. Let's see if we can catch a banger today. That's my goal. My goal is to catch a banger. I bought 5 Tradify accounts using your code. Let's go. Danish, I appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you, my guy. I don't know where Grizzly is. He's in the live, but he's not speaking. I texted him. I said, "You good, brother?" I said, "You good, my guy?" So you can have 10 evals at a time. You can only have 5 funded accounts. Today is the day I'm making that video comparing Apex and Tradify. Today's the day. It's happening today. Well, thank you, Gene. Thanks. What's up, bro? Get it figured out?
No, they can't figure out why I can't stream.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm working from my desktop, so I'm just going to do that. Not today.
Isn't that insane? I think you got out of shorts before that. Gene killed that in Asia. What? Yep. Also, if you didn't hear, Gene is no longer doing Asia at 6 Eastern time. It's now at 7 Eastern time until further notice. He's trying to avoid the first hour chop. We did catch a banger. Yesterday. I wouldn't say banger, but winning trade. We also have Jolt's data at 10 a.m. as well. So we'll wait for that. We got data in 17 minutes. We got Jolt's data today, 17 minutes. I know this is a very news-driven market. It's a little sketchy.
data this week?
Yeah, we have jolts at 10. We have data in 15 minutes. We got our 15-minute range set in. We got point of control up at 458, pre-market high at 439, and 15-minute high at 468. So if we can get a close above these levels, I'll potentially look for a long entry to the upside. Need a banger today. It's been a rough month. I got you. This is a lot of candle with no volume, but to be fair, the candle just opened. To be fair, to give it a chance. Got anything on watch, Crazy Clock? A lot of candle for no volume. That's right. So we'll see what they give us here. I'm watching primarily the 5-minute. I want to see a 5-minute close before I take anything. I'd really prefer to see a nice trend day. Or if we're going to catch a reject or a bounce, catching an overall bigger move. You could potentially watch, say that like 600 area could be a nice reject too. My boy Ryan. Eligible for another 2K in payouts. That's my boy. That boy. Let's go, baby. Jeez Louise. All right, this might give us our confirmation candle. If we get a strong close up here, we got the volume. We got 30 more seconds. I'll look for a pullback down to this 440 to like 460 for longs with stops below this candle low.
hitting the supply, but I'm still gonna look for a pullback for longs everyone.
Me too.
The supply may get me, but I like a long entry around 458 to 439.
I'll probably start adding it like 470 down to like 445. Stops below like 418.
Anybody ever needs assistance with YouTube, I hope you don't be the same person I was dealing with.
Terrible.
Yeah. Just couldn't use the words. Like they were too lazy to write out a complete sentence for me to understand what they talked about.
Hello, Grizzly. This is customer support. How may I help you? I see that your YouTube is restricted. May I please get your username and password?
That was like, we did a screen recording of you logging in, all this stuff, blah, blah, blah.
Do not redeem if you get an outside external link. I need you to go and hit a winning trade for Team Ball, and then I will help you redeem your account. Thank you and have a great day. Goodbye.
What are we gonna do if we just pull back to 500 here and rip up?
That's definitely a possibility.
Yeah.
Too much risk for me, but I will add early. I'll try it if we move back to this 470 area. For show, for show. I will happily start my day. Not happily, but gladly start my day red, trying that long entry and a pullback. I just hope we don't bounce 500, then move up. You're watching this bounce area down here, like around 470-ish for longs. I'll honestly likely take it even if it is right before news. I'll just have a hard stop in. And it doesn't look like it looks like it's going to bounce 500. Sometimes it does that when we have our, gosh dang it, a whole psych number like that right before the bounce. That's annoying. Wow. Literally bounced 500 almost to the dollar. That's foul, Nasdaqita. Peace of mind, took some time. I'm just reaping what I sow. You guys, Tradeify 3.0 launched today. If you guys haven't seen it yet, you have a new discount pool. You get your first 5 purchases with code Jdun are 40% off, then 30% off after. They just added a 25K account, which has a profit target of 1,500. Great if you prefer to trade micros, and if you like trading smaller. Instant funded account activation, meaning the second you pass, boom, within minutes, you can go activate your funded account. Elite live performance reward pool. So if you ever get moved live, there's more value there. Real-time dashboard with journal and no more subscriptions. They also added Trade C, which is just like Project X. So if you like trading on Project X, you'll really like Trade C. I think you guys will really, really like it. I recommend the 25K or the 50K select account. I'm still going to watch that bounce area, guys. I'm still going to watch that 470-ish down to 440. That is still valid for me. Still valid for me, everybody. Come on. Come on, baby. Sellers, need y'all to step in, push us down to our buy level.
All right, pull back. No, I'm not in the trade. I'm looking for a low maker if we pull back.
Me too.
Orb strategies in play.
Okay, come on. They're going to do it, huh? They're just going to slowly grind us up. This ain't pretty Ricky. I don't want you to grind with me. Baby, grind on me. Relax ya. Trade. Take your time with me. The old school. This ain't pretty Ricky. I don't want NQ to do no grinding. I want you to explode down and explode back up. Three, dead on 2, dead on 1. I'm still watching that bounce area, guys. Nothing's changed. Come on, baby. You know, we technically speaking got a little 2-bar action here going on too. I just, I don't see nothing. I don't see nothing I like. You know, real quick, TikTok, we got like 550 people here. Let's get them likes up. How about this? If y'all get this live to 50K likes, I'll do a giveaway here too. I'll add y'all into the giveaway pool on TikTok. You guys know the drill, YouTube. Y'all get us to 500 likes on YouTube. You get added to the giveaway pool. 500 or 50,000 likes on TikTok. Same deal. Tap that screen over and over. That's like 70 likes a person. Tap that screen for a minute. Get them fingers moving. Potentially win yourself a free funded account. I appreciate y'all liking. Liking and showing some love, baby. I'll do my best to help y'all win and level up too. It's 2-bar to the upside, but I'm not taking it. All that said, I'm not taking a slight pullback. I still am open to my bounce area. Still open to it. Or maybe if we get a sweep of 600, then a reject, I'll look for a reject up at 600. I'm open to that too. I'm also very open to that. Damn, y'all, we're not playing with the 50K likes. All right. TikTok said, let me introduce myself to the giveaway pool. Same with y'all, YouTube. 200 more likes. We give away some Trade Device Select accounts. Y'all are the goats, for real. All right, everybody. Oh, we got the DOD Cup in action, too. Shout out, Mr. Gene. Bro's the espresso maestro. So here's the deal. I'm either watching for a pullback down to this buy zone down here, or B, I'm going to watch for a sweep and failure of 600 for a reject. What about you, Grizzly Glock? You see anything you like?
What's up?
See anything you like?
You're watching this bounce.
I was watching for a 600 reject too. We just didn't quite get there. As a reminder, too, TikTok, I'm live on the tube as well. Jdun Trades. Full screen share. I'm also dropping my video today on Apex First Tradeify, and I'm including in there how to copy trade. How to link accounts together and copy trade. So if you guys have been looking to learn how to do that on Tradeivate, I'll have that video out for you guys today. Come on, YouTube. You guys got 150 more likes.
One good trade, just like yesterday.
That's all it takes, bro. That's all it takes.
We take this trader when we got a position to set our stops at 417 or 416.
That's where I'm going to have my stops, too.
Yeah. Position accordingly. You all can see the bounce area on my screen I'm watching there. CP.
Yep, Tradeify 3.0 is live. I appreciate you using code JDUN. You see Tradeify 3.0, Grizzly Glock?
I haven't looked, man. I've been dealing with that YouTube all morning.
They added some good stuff. They added Trade C, the new platform, which is just like Project X. No more subscriptions, real-time dashboard with journal, instant funded account activation. So if you pass, you can get funded right away, or you can activate right away. They added 25.
Anything different with the self-funded?
Nope.
Self-funded?
Nope. 25K accounts now, which are nice for people that like to trade micros.
Sometimes it's 500 again. I wonder if it's going to bounce.
I have a bad feeling it will.
Yeah, me too.
But too much risk for me, so I'm okay with missing the move. I'll try in like 470 to 460, and I'll also add likely around like 440s with stops below 417, below that candle low. I will have a hard stop at like 417 if I get in. Oh, baby, come on. This is your reminder. We're over 30 minutes in. Choose discipline over dopamine. If you guys think about over trading, revenge trading, tilt trading, or boredom trading, I want you to tell yourself, come on, DOD. I don't got to do that. I need to wait, trade smart and trade safe, and wait for an A+ entry. Tell yourself DOD over and over if you have to save yourself from silly mistakes, detrimental mistakes that have held you back for months, years, decades, whatever it may be. If it happens, that's why I tell you guys, if you need to tell yourself DOD over and over again, do it. Literally sit there and talk to yourself. Tell yourself, DOD, come on. I know this is dopamine talking. This is bad decision, emotion-based decision-making talking to me. I want you guys to be strategic. I want you guys to be systematic. Oh, I hope they don't bounce this 500. Looks like they might.
500 to dad.
No, that freaking dad strength. That's right. I gotta piss like a racehorse, but I don't want to miss this long entry. I know if I go to the bathroom, it's for sure coming. Oh, Gene, want to come say hi? I put in a limit order at 460 and a hard stop in case at 417. So if we got some sweep down, I get filled at around 460 with stop set at 417. What's up, Mr. Gene?
What's up, party people? Oh man. Let's see what we can get. I had a supply zone or demand zone that we pushed out of in Asia after I hopped off last night. It went crazy. 400 points. from where it hit. I'll post a photo in the Discord.
What's the trade? We're gonna make it higher low here.
Hello, Mr. Gene. Looks like my limit order was not filled. All right, take that off. So now I'm in control. Now I am the captain now. I appreciate y'all being here. As a reminder, if you guys are trading with Tradeify or Apex, I appreciate y'all using code Jdun. Tradeify 3.0 just dropped today on this YouTube channel. I'm dropping a video comparing Apex and Tradeify. It's going to be a game changer. It's going to be a game changer. I'm also going to include how to copy trade on there. So if you haven't yet, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. You guys are 90 likes away from doing a giveaway as well. These are 90 likes away on YouTube. Hit that thumbs up button on the live. There's 1,200 of y'all here. You guys should be able to get it in the next like 10 seconds. Easy. I know we got 90 DOD soldiers up in here. I know we do. As a reminder, if you're new here, I appreciate you hitting that follow button in the top left corner. I trade live for you guys every single day here on TikTok, and I also appreciate y'all tapping into the U to the tube. I teach you the DOD system. I help you trade smart, trade safe, stay focused. Yeah, bro, we sell so many courses on this live. So many.
Well, that was a higher low, I guess. So.
Yep, we're holding, just like we said we probably would, we're holding that 500. Annoying, but oh well. Is what it is.
We'll increase the volume on the previous candle, not much.
Yep, nothing for me. I'll still watch this bounce area. It's a little riskier with 3 different tests down here, but I'm still technically open to it. I still got about an hour more of trading, so the day is still technically young.
OMG.
Yep. If you guys want to take my next trade with me, you guys can go get a Tradeify account for 40% off. Your first 5 accounts you buy with them using code Jdun are 40% off. I recommend the 50K or 25K select account. Also, if you're trading with Apex, they're 90% off as well. Got stuff to do. Thanks for coming in. I'll see you later, bro. Or tomorrow. For some time.
You bounces that 500 one more time, I'm trading you in.
Feel that.
Yes. Legit entry there. 476 there.
Who thinks they can call me? Trading hours. NVIDIA's ripping. Who is pro writing an essay for? Bro, I'm the fastest trading typer. Be Rogue, I'm proud of you for recognizing that and stepping away.
Man.
They call at Jdun the fastest hands in Denver, but it ain't due to typing. You're crazy. This 500 has dad strength. It's going to be our new support up here, huh?
Yeah.
Would have gone to 470. I would have tried the longs for sure. For show. Might break the ceiling. I think it's a little sketchy how many times we've touched here to try this down here, but I still will potentially. I think I'd be bummed if we came and touched like 440 to 460 and I didn't try the longs, so I'll still probably try it with stops below this candle. It's not far off from low a day either. Let you know. Two bar on Tesla. I'm not. Technically, yes. It's not a super aggressive trend, but we've held pre-market high. Technically speaking, that could be valid. Certainly. Ooh. Oh, man, stretch. Woo. Stretching and breathing is underrated. That's facts. What does ES have going on? What's going on in ES world? I haven't tried an ES in a hot minute. Same deal as Nasdaqita. Do you think the screen will turn red? It's possible. No trades yet today. Nope. No trades today. Not yet. I potentially wanted to take a trade down here, but I didn't end up getting the pullback I wanted to see. So Thank you for being a perfect example for all of us. This patience is amazing. Thank you. There hasn't been a whole lot of, at least for how I trade, opportunity today. We'll see how we react at 600. That could give us something too. It's certainly possible. My patience has improved so much since practicing DOD. Let's go. That's awesome. I would have blown my account already. Thanks, Jdun. You're welcome. I do my best. If we can, even if it's not an increase in winning trades, if I can decrease your losing trades, that's a net positive. If you can keep yourself away from boredom trading and tilt trading and revenge trading, that's a net positive. Yep. Well, you need good strategy to become profitable, but without risk management, it doesn't really mean anything. It means very little. It means very, very little. Still moving on up. I was really hoping they'd give us some sort of pullback. Nope. 500 at dad strength. What strategy do I trade during Asia? I don't really trade Asia. Gene does, though. Gene kills it in Asia. You can join him every day. You can follow him. He'll trade Asia on this YouTube channel, Jdun Trades. On this YouTube channel. Jdun Trades on the tube. Yep. Make sure you guys all go subscribe. I'm also dropping that video today as well. Uh-oh. I just re-upped. I just re-upped. I just re-upped, everybody. What was I telling y'all earlier? What was I telling y'all earlier? Plug came through. Plugged us with some Tradeify select accounts to give away. Let's go. Shout out Tradeify. Someone was saying their website's all messed up, though. It's working fine for me. It's bugging out and we won't do the giveaway right now, then. I am loaded up on accounts. Oh, baby. Let's just say we're plugged in for a minute on Tradeify. So a reminder, Tradeify 3.0 just dropped today. You guys can use code Jdun for the best possible discount. I'm obviously going to scratch your back with the giveaway. The more times you use code Jdun, the more accounts they give us. It's a win-win on both sides. I appreciate you supporting me. I will always do my best to support y'all. All right, let's see if we get this poll back now. So stick around. Stick around, guys. Maybe we'll try a rogue code on a little Tradeify action. Let's see who's paying attention. About to dip under the fib. We'll see. This 15-minute chart is looking real barcodey. Yep, that's what we're looking for my first ad, Wafus, with potential ad down to like 440. And I don't love that we've been hovering above it so long, but I still think it's technically valid. We got point of control there, we got pre-market high there, and we have 15-minute high there that we haven't retested. Tradeify Dash is glitching out, then we'll just wait. Well, wait, just know I got something cooking for y'all. We are re-upped. In the meantime, you can get 40% off on your first 5 accounts with Tradeify using code JDUN. But when you use that code, I want you to tell yourself you're going to be DOD with your account. I don't want you making stupid mistakes, getting almost a payout and blowing it. Then we get reversal candle with higher volume here. 45 or 40% off is your first 5 accounts in your discount bank. Yep. 30% off after that. It's good, Anthony. Appreciate you asking. No trades yet today. Not super in love with what we're seeing here. It's still technically valid if we try this. I might wait a little lower, maybe like 460 to 440. Let's see what our overall 50% retracement is. 480. $15-minute chart. I'd like to see this 15-minute candle close too before we rip this trade. I'm watching. I'm watching. I don't love this 15-minute chart. If you guys are looking at screen share, you see this 15-minute chart. We're engulfing this previous candle, and we have higher volume on this reversal. We'll see. We'll see. $55. Am I buying? I have not taken any trade yet. If we get down into this zone down here, I'm potentially open to it. I don't love what we're seeing in price action right now, but I'm open to it.
Started my loans, everyone. Started MNQ loans. You can hear me. I'm in loans. Stop, you have to position for your stop to be at 416. I will add more at 439. I'm not full size. Got 440, 439. I'll add to my position.
That's what I wanted to see too. Like
If
460,
I get it,
like 460 area.
come on, let's help me get my full size on this. I got a decent size. What is 72 on that, everyone? This is my entry right here. Whoa.
Starter piece of longs as well. It's just a starter piece.
Blame you if this goes bad.
It very well could, but I'd be bummed if I didn't try it as we go on test. I'd like to see like 60 to 40. But 60s was worth a try for me. This whole area in here I like with stops at 417.
I only have 5. Correction is 7. I have 7 right now. Because it's pre-market high, I'm going to add the rest of my position, but that's good. My stop remains the same, 416.
This is the area I like too. This pre-market high to POC.
But it doesn't have higher volume here. If it does, that's not a good sign. The original position, when I didn't get mine, it didn't quite get down low enough.
This is the main area. I don't like that candle. So say I like this area, but you have to have stops below 417. I'm also not opposed to. So say if we get a retest up to like 520 again, 530 looking for shorts, but I'm still in that position. I'll get stopped out at 417. It's my only pullback entry.
Second add there, everyone, but I wouldn't go too heavy. It's not looking the best in this trade.
It's not looking great. But I'd be bummed if I didn't try it. So I did try it with stops at 417.
That trade base being weird. There we go. It wasn't showing my position.
The only other trade I potentially see is if this stops out, looking for a downside trade if we break the structure and pull back up. But yeah, I tried the longs based on the trend from today and also from pre-market. So it was worth a try to me. If I get stopped out at 417, I'll take the L to the chin and I'll wait for another setup. If we can't hold this pre-market high, then we probably fail. I'll get stopped out at 417. The only other setup I see that I will potentially put size on is if we get a break of structure to the downside, I'm going to pull back up for shorts. I'm down for that as well. And you guys got to remember. Oh, almost there. I put on more size for my short trades than my long trades. I swear, if this stops me out, I got stopped out of this trade. If this stops me out and then rips up, I'm going to be so salty. If we close this candle here below opening range low, or get a full body candle to the downside, I'll look for a pop-up, and I will go full size, potentially even more, on a downside trade. I'll put on full risk for a downside trade if we get a strong close here and then pull back up. That's the only other thing I see. I tried the longs up here, got stopped out on this move down. I'm not in this trade. So if we get a strong close down here, move back up to these key levels, I'll look for shorts with stops potentially above like 500. It's the only other trade that I see that I like. And I will go full size on it. If it confirms. If and only if. If it confirms, we'll go full size. If you guys didn't hear, I got stopped out at 417. I followed my planned stop up there at 417. We got a minute 15 left in this candle. If we close this strong and pop back up, I'll try shorts at like maybe like 460, 470 with stops above 505. Aggressive shorts. If we can get confirmation here. Aggressive shorts if we pop back up to these key levels. And on the flip side, if we would have followed this pre-market trend of aggressive move up, followed by move up here, and I wouldn't have tried that trade, I would have been super disappointed in myself. I would have been super disappointed if we got that bounce at those key levels, POC, pre-market high, 15-minute high, and I didn't try that. All right, I'm watching for this pop-up for shorts, guys. We got the 5-minute confirmation I want. I'll look for a move up to like 440 to 470. Ideally like 470. But I'll start early at like 440. That'll be my last trade. If we move up into here, I'll look for lower high in this zone and then continue to push down at the price target of pre-market low. That's my last hurrah for a trend trade. Come on, give some sort of pop-up, please. Not full port shorts, full risk. Yes, full port, no. You don't want a full port. Only watch right now, guys, is a retest back up to like 440 for shorts. Retest back up into here. I'm in shorts. Add into 470. Stops above this like 505. I thought it was going to retrace too, but that's why you put a stop loss in. It is what it is. I hate trading the longs. I just don't. More and more after the years go by, I'm like, I just love trading shorts. Come on, don't sweep this 15-minute low and bounce back up. Please don't give us a big sweep and bounce. Let's give us a pop-up and then die. Then die, please. Retrace back up here. I'm in shorts, guys. If we retrace back up, I'm in shorts. Last trade that I see. Retrace back up. Die. Please. Price target will be down at pre-market low at 238. I'd like to see 440 to 470. We'll try this if we move up here with stops above like 505. Come on, Nasdaqita. Put my mortgage on your signal and lost it. Well, whose fault is that? 30 more seconds on this candle. Come on. We got a potential 2-bar on the 15-minute chart too. Which planning account do you recommend at Tradeify? The 25K or 50K selects? Money bags. I'm going to watch like 440 to 470, guys. I don't love that they gave us a 5-minute reversal candle with higher volume here, but it's still worth another try. Ideally, like 450 to 470. I'm just not sure we get all the way up there. Come on, give us like 450, please. Starting a baby piece of shorts at 440, guys. I will add into 470, 450 to 470. If we go back up and accordion this market, then I'll be done for the day. But started my shorts above 440. If you guys want a safer entry, wait till like 450 to 470. It's my last trade here on this pop-up. Main ad area is up here, 450 to 470, everybody. I'll stop out at 505, and if I get stopped, I'll be done for the day. This is my last trade regardless. I don't trade the accordion market well, so if we go from 15-minute low to these new highs, then it will not be my type of day. This is the area I like though, guys, up here. Main area for shorts up here, guys. With stops at 505 or 506. Come on. Let it die. No, don't rebound. Just go straight down now. Come on, you tried. My stop loss is at 506. This is the main ad area. I like 550 up to 570 from before. I hope we revisit low day, but with this accordion market, who knows? We'll see. It's 15-minute chart. If we breach this 15-minute high, I'm out of this trade, guys. I don't like that 5-minute chart even a little, but I'm still holding this. I took shorts on the pop up, but it's not looking great. 15-minute chart looks okay. 5-minute chart doesn't look super great. What about you? What are you looking for?
Looking for long entry.
Well, if you see something you like, take it. I was just trying to take the trend.
I was going to try to catch this pre-market high entry for loans. My last trade, 4009 stop. Pull back.
If we go about 506, I'm out and I'm done for the day. If we go past 506. I tried this short and the pop back up. If we go accordion, that's just not my type of day, and I'll be out and done. Jesus Christ, Louise. I swear if it goes up and tests this and this dies, I'm going to be so salty, dude. Oh, it's going to annoy me if we go up and just test and die. I got stopped out at 5:06. I'm going to be done for the day, everybody. That just annoyed me. Watch, we're going to move up. We're going to sweep this and then move down. So I'm going to be done trading for the day. I'll stick on for a little longer, but I'm going to be done for the day. This annoyed the hell out of me. Lost just under $2,000 in the live account. So I'm done for the day. And watch, it's going to sweep this high and then die. Watch. Watch. I hope it doesn't. That's what it looks like it wants to do. Honestly, I hope it does. That will show bias is right. Just super, super annoying. Super, super, super annoying. If you see some you like Grizzly, feel free to take it. I got stopped out of the longs or shorts, excuse me, at 5:06. I swear if it goes and finds our lower high here, then dies, I'm going to be a very sad boy. I'm going to be a very sad boy if that happens. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. It's going to make me just turn into no stop loss gang. Gene, I'm frustrated. At this point, I'd rather just rip straight up, please. Don't go die. Please don't go die. Please don't die. At least go to high a day. If you're gonna stop me out, just keep moving. Don't rip 5:06 to 5:15, 9 points above and die. Not allowed. Unacceptable. Now that looks like a lower high candle if I've ever seen one. Don't you do it, NASDAQ. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Don't you do it, girl. Don't you do it.
Look, everyone's saying a little something different here. I like the pre-market high bounce, 430, 440. For longs.
Well, I'm not in anything, so I don't have any skin in the game. I'm just gonna be salty if we touched up their 9 points above my stop loss and then ripped down.
So now it's respecting the 15-minute range. All right,
That 15-minute chart looked good though. Solid body, close below pre-market high, 15-minute high, and point of control. I just couldn't do it. I'm telling you, it's just been those rejects and the bounces. It's been the aggressive bounces and the aggressive rejects. These trend trades aren't working how I want them to. It's all right. We choose DOD. It's annoying, but whatever. It's fine. Stop is full strength bar.
That's what I wanted to happen when we tried it the first time. I was respecting the.
That's exactly what I wanted to see. I'm like, why is it being on some BS? Why couldn't we see this 15-minute respect up here? On the bright side, I hope we move up now. Means my stop loss was right. Every time I try to go against a 5-minute reversal candle with higher volume, it gets cooked. Just goes to show. Even the only problem here was that we had this 15-minute chart I really liked. I liked that 15-minute close. Two candles in a row with higher volume. I'm just switching to supply and demand, guys. I'm just going to go back to my supply rejects and bounces like I used to trade. Until they start giving us some good, solid trend entries that are consistently working, I'll just trade my rejects and my bounces. That's what's working in this market. So you adapt. No, we just adapt. If you need to, I'm not going to say you change your strategy because you don't, but you just adapt to what's working. And as of lately, what's working is these aggressive bounces off demand and these aggressive rejects off supply. We're not getting a lot of good trend confirmation in this news-driven market. If we're going to see more movement up, I like that 500 area. If you guys are looking for another trade, I like that 500 area with stops below like 4, basically below like the 15-minute high. It's the only area like That or maybe we see as far as rejects go, I don't really have anything until like 800. No, I'm not in the trade. My revenge trading now. No, there was a point when I wanted to, though. I just have to tell myself DOD over and over, and like after 5-10 minutes, it goes away. You're like, oh, well. No more trades. No, I'm likely done. I'm still hanging for a few minutes, but that annoyed me. We saw exactly what I wanted to see, just a little later than I would have liked. I wanted to see this right here, up here. And then after this aggressive move down, 15-minute move down, tried the short up here, and then got stopped out above 506.
Man, I've had enough this market today.
Telling me.
I'm gonna take my one loss. Just put me flat on the week. Same situation I was in last week on Thursday. I was flat on Thursday of last week when we caught a winning trade. I made $1,600 on the week on Friday. Still hope. I just hope this market is a little easier on us tomorrow.
I'm going back to my rejects and bounces, Grizzly Glock. If we see a real clean trend, I'll look for trend entries, but that's just
I didn't see anything up there to reject much.
that's just what's been working. Supply and demand.
Back in the morning, we get another try.
You out of here?
Time is it? Yeah, I got a doctor's appointment.
All right. Have a good day, bro.
See you.
I swear, if it gives us a downtrend now, I'm going to be one salty boy. Like a baby. Oh boy. At least it's Taco Tuesday. Better be gluten-free tortillas and no cheese. Tacos aren't very fun when you eat like Jdun. I wasn't even supposed to rhyme, and it did. Well, you love tacos. Don't lie. You love your tacos. Taco, taco, burrito. That was annoying. It was annoying. It was annoying, but we'll take it. Tuesday. It's been a minute since I've had a red Tuesday. I think I've had like 2 this year. All right. Well, on the bright side, for those who were paying attention, let's see. Let's get this. Damn, that would have been the one right there. That was the one right there. Now it wants to work. Now that I'm done trading. Okay. All right, market. All right, market. I see you. Oh boy. Oh man, I want to take the long so bad. Gotta stick to my rules. Gotta stick to my rules, which really sucks sometimes, but it's what keeps us safe long term. It's what keeps us safe long term. Yeah, there just hasn't been a lot of trend. Like there's some good scalping or like supply to demand opportunities, but not a whole lot in terms of true trend. You've seen that more and more. You've seen a lot of rejects and you've seen a lot of bounces. Let it come and let it be. Oh boy. All right. Let's see who was paying attention in the Team Bowl chat for a 25K select account in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 25K select account. Let's see who's paying attention. See who was paying attention. It does. It's literally from my Tradeify rep. Unless he messed the code up. That's copy and pasted. So someone got it. That's why it don't work. It's because I got it. Fibonacci gangs are cooked, y'all. Damn, bro said it's because I got it. That's why. Damn. That's foul. Bro said y'all didn't get it because I got it. Using code. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Beautiful things. All right, let's see here. Where's my trade? There we go. Don't. Well, say it was a doo-doo trading day for me in this range. But at least we got some. At least we got some codes to give away. That's a plus. Oh, what the hell? Deleted my. There we go. POC, permanent low, view out. Yep, it is what it is. Do another rogue Cobit in my DM. Donald. See, that looks like a nice higher low. This is what I wanted to see off of our 15-minute range earlier, guys. Right here. This is what I want to see. Right here. Test down to like 460 area and then move back up. This is what I wanted to see, not this bullshit here. Not this BS here. Then move back up to 520. This is exactly what I wanted to see. But nope, let's just do it later on. As I'm done trading, I did get in earlier, and it's taught me out. That's all I'm saying is this is the move I wanted to see earlier, right here. Would have been a 60-point trade. Man. Is what it is. Is what it is. I'm about to go eat my breakfast or my second meal of the day, and then I'm going to make that YouTube video, that Tradeify versus Apex video. Yep, I'm going to make that copy trading video for y'all. Yep, Apex versus Tradeify comparison. So, all right, guys, I'm going to move off for the day. Not my best trading day. Couldn't get any clear direction. We had nice rejects off supply and bounces off demand, but as far as overall trend, it's just been sideways, as you guys can see here in our 5-minute and 15-minute chart. Got what I wanted to see, just not at the same time. So choose DOD, trade smart, trade safe, stay focused. As a reminder, Apex is 90% off using code Jdun, and Tradeify is 40% off in your first 5 accounts. All right. All right, Team Bull. If you guys want to enter the giveaway for a 50K Tradeify Select account, type me in the chat. Type me in the chat. I'm going to pick one of you guys in the next 20 seconds. I'm going to stop on one of your names. Spam me. Gene, will you come tell me when to stop?
Hold
Hold on. We got a 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Tell me when, Gene.
All right, stop.
All right. Paige_Robinson with the bull tag 2. Let's go. Congratulations, Paige_Robinson of Team Bull, baby. I'm going to send you your code for a 50K Tradeify Select account. Select account. That's a freaking $100 giveaway right there. Congratulations. I always appreciate y'all choosing code JDUN too. And of course, for the TikTok, you guys got us to 100,000 plus likes. I got to show y'all some love. So in just a moment, I'm going to type this code in the chat. One of you will be able to use it. I don't think I can. Now, let's see if I click on someone's name, if I can DM them. All right. TikTok next. I'm choosing one of y'all in the TikTok chat to click. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. It won't. You guys are literally typing too fast. I can't pick. Boom! Mark Galaxy, congratulations. I'm going to DM you your code right now for a Tradeify select 25K account. 6. Oh, whoops, that's not right. Tradeify select 25K account. Congrats, Mark. Shout out Tradeify. These accounts have instant activation as well. And then finally for the YouTube, I'm just going to put a code in chat because I can't DM y'all on YouTube. So promised y'all a code too. 25K select Tradeify account. Let's use the first one to get it. Let's see who's the first one to get it on YouTube. Boom, it's in the pinned message. Let's see who's the first one to use it. 25K select account. If it says invalid, it means someone's already used it. Woo! As a reminder, I appreciate y'all using code Jdun with Tradeify or Apex. Your first 5 accounts with Tradeify are 40% off. After that, 30% off. Wow, Gabe got it. Let's go. Congratulations, my friend. So lame. Annoyed the absolute life out of me. It's all right. We'll come back strong tomorrow. All right, y'all. I'm out of here for the day. Maybe back for Power Hour. We'll see how this video filming goes. And I'll see y'all later. God bless y'all. Peace. That video will be up later today. Peace.